Good morning, everyone. Today we see about advantages of CNC, advantages of NC machine and DNC. So all these we'll see advantages and difference between all these three. What is that? CNC, DNC and NC machines. So first advantages of CNC. What are the advantages? So what are the advantages of CNC? First one, preparation of part programming data is easy. There is little or no need to punch tape. Data can be transferred through electric media, quite reliable. So for this program, CNC motion program, need of punch tape. So these are the, it needs punch tape. So the part programming and tape readers are used only once to enter into the computer memory. So this part programming tape reader uses only once to store the memory in the computer. This results improve reliability. So that is one advantages. Next advantages, CNC program can be written, stored, edit and extrude directly at the NC machine. So what it says, we can store the data whatever the written programs, and we can also edit the program and extrude directly to the CNC machine. Okay, after writing we can store it and editing and extrude directly to the CNC machine. Next advantage, many different CNC programs can be stored in MCU. MCU is machine control unit. So different programs we can save and stored in CNC machine. Next, conversion of units is possible within the computer memories. Conversion means conversing machine written language into machine language. That is possible in writing computer memory. So we can write the memory and convert into machine language. That is called conversion of units into computer memory. Greater flexibility. So it is very much flexible to use this CNC machine after writing. So that is flexibility. CNC machine can be integrated with DNC. So it also integrate with DNC different same way as in DNC. High accuracy, repeatability. So its units are high accuracy. Whatever we do the components, that is also accuracy. Reduced indirect and operating cost. So cost is very less. Complex shapes can be produced. We can make different typical shapes also in CNC machine. Reduced data reading errors. So if any errors also, we can reduce that errors also in this means CNC machine. So those are the advantages of CNC. Now we see the advantages of DNC. What is that? In DNC, it eliminates the use of punch tape and tape reader. In this, we won't use any punch tapes. Okay. In CNC, we use the tape readers and tape punch once, at least once. Here, we won't use that. We will eliminate the tape readers. The NC part programming can be conventionally stored in computer files. So here we conventionally store the part program in computer files. Okay. Greater computational capability and flexibility. So greater flexibility. This is also very flexibility. It collects the production performance data from the NC machine. So what are the performance machine should do? It collects the data from the production performance. Collect the production performance means from the machine, that is servo motors, it collects and runs the NC machine. It increases productivity and save time. So productivity is very more and within less time. It provides central control of machine tool. Okay, it provides central control of machine tool means only one system will be there. Many systems around that machine. Nearly 100 machines can be operated with one system. Okay, that is called DNC machine. Now we see comparison of NC, CNC and DNC. Difference between these three we'll see. So first DNC, next CNC, next DNC. So difference between we'll see. What is that? First one, punch tapes and tape readers are used in NC machine. Here we used punch tapes and tape readers in NC machine. Whereas in CNC also we used punch tapes and tape readers. So these two in NC machine and CNC machine we are using tape readers and punch tapes. Whereas in DNC machine, punch tapes and tape readers are completely eliminated in DNC. In DNC machine, we are not using tape reader and punch tapes. Okay. In next point, part programming tape. Part programming tape and tape readers are used several times. So here in NC machine, part programming tape and tape readers are used several times. Many times we use for each and every program and each and every purpose we use this part programming tape reader. Whereas in CNC, the part programming and tape readers are used only once. In this CNC machine, we are using this part programming and tape readers only once at a time. Whereas in NC machine, we use several times. In DNC machine, part programmings are stored in bulk memory. Here we won't use anything. That's why we use store the program in bulk memories. So we won't use here any tape readers and punch tape. Next one, hardware based systems and least flexibility as in the different incorporated modifying. So here hardware based systems at least flexible hardware that only servo motors, all those things flexible incorporated. So flexible hardwares are, whereas CNC software based system more flexible. Here we use only software, no hardware. Easy modified the incorporated changes in the part programming stored in the memory. So we can change the any necessary thing also we can change with software only. Whereas in DNC more flexible. So both we use, it is very much flexibility. Where next one we see in compressors of the machine control unit, it compresses the machine control unit. So it's compresses means it controls with the machine MCU, machine control unit, it runs with that. Whereas in CNC a dedicated computer is used for each machine tool. So here we use each machine tool, we use computer only. Whereas in DNC machine a single mainframe computer is used to control number of machines. Here we use only one computer for many machines to control. Okay. So it consists of machine control unit. So this is controlled by MCU. What NC machine is controlled by MCU. Whereas in CNC, dedicated stored program computer is used for each machine tool. Here dedicated stored program is used for each and every machine tool. Whereas in DNC, central mainframe computer directly controls several machines. Only one computer will control many machines. Whereas in CNC, a dedicated stored program computer is used for each machine tool. For one machine, one computer should be there. That is called CNC. Next, lead flexible because of hardwire system. It is difficult in incorporated modifying. So because of this is hardwire system, it is difficult to incorporate or modify in the design in CNC. Whereas in CNC more flexible, it is very easy because of software system, it is easy, we can modify them. So in NC machine, hardwired system, it is difficult to incorporate modification. Whereas in this is software, we can modify the design easily. So in DNC more easily we can modify each and every program. Next, personal training of NC is similar and less costly. So here we to give the person training, it is very easy and in a less cost we can do it. In which one? NC machine. Whereas in CNC, training is difficult and more costly. We to give a person training, it is very difficult. In DNC, more costly. So to give a person training, it is more costly. So in next point, next difference is production is low. In DNC, production rate is very low, whereas in CNC, production is more compared to NC machine. In CNC, production rate is very high than in NC machine, more production. Next in DNC, more production. So here also production will go more. So in comparing these NC machine production will be less. In CNC machine is production is more, and DNC also production is more. So these are the differences of NC, CNC and DNC. So here each and every here in NC machine, each and every little bit problems and very difficult, whereas in CNC and DNC are it is flexible and more easy to operate, and we can store the data easily. In each one it is like that. Whereas in advantages also, NC machine and CNC machines are more advantages than in DNC. Okay, these are the differences of CNC and DNC. So advantages of DNC also we have read: better management program, that is editing, storage, data deleting, CAD/CAM and shop floor system, eliminating manual intervention. So these all are great advantages. So CAD/CAM modification, shop floor, small shops also can keep this one, and factory integrator could be reality of DNC. Implementation is very high. As DNC computer feed the program to machine can work on the same job means one single person can operate many machine with one system. Okay, these are the advantages. Next advantages of CNC: unit independency, can work in metric or non-metric units. So units also we can use metric or non-metric in this is one advantages in CNC. Okay. Next, preparation of part programming data is easy. So here we can easily write the part programming. There is a little or no need to punch tape. So here only once we use punch tape, data can be transferred through electric media quite reliable. So here we transfer the data through electric media. Many systems let the program done on the machine itself. So many systems are done with the many programs are done with the machine itself. Okay, these are the advantages and disadvantages of CNC, NC and DNC machines, and differences between NC, CNC. So today what we have read, the advantages of these three and difference between these three, NC, CNC and DNC. Okay,